Smell gas in your home or business? Don't ignore it. Even a small gas leak can be extremely dangerous. In this video, we'll explain what to do immediately, how leaks are found, and how BeFix can keep you safe. First steps. If you smell gas. If you ever smell gas, act quickly. Turn off your gas supply at the meter. Open all doors and windows to let fresh air in. Don't use electrical switches, lights, or your mobile near the leak. And call BeFix immediately on 0208 058 4241. Our gas-safe engineers can attend fast and make your property safe. Why gas leaks happen? Gas leaks can happen for a few reasons. Old or damaged pipework, loose fittings on cookers or boilers, poor installation or corrosion over time, or damage caused by building or renovation work. Even a small leak can release gas slowly, creating serious risk of fire, explosion, or carbon monoxide poisoning. How BeFix detects gas leaks. At BeFix, we're gas safe registered and use specialist leak detection equipment to find the exact source of a leak safely. We use electronic sniffers, pressure testing, and leak spray to locate even the smallest faults. Once the leak is found, we isolate, repair, and retest your system, ensuring it's completely safe before restoring your gas supply. BeFix commercial and domestic support. We handle both domestic and commercial gas leaks, from homes and flats to busy restaurant kitchens. Whether it's a loose connection, a damaged pipe, or a faulty appliance, our BeFix engineers respond quickly to make your property safe and compliant. If you smell gas or suspect a leak, call BeFix straight away on 0208 058 4241. Reliable, local. Gas safe.